Morning guys, welcome to OFFROAD for Life. So it's the 3rd of Feb 2022. So after this morning's fishing, I'm gonna make myself a late breakfast, early lunch. So what I have here guys is a little bit of oil, a little bit of fennel seeds, 1 star anise, 2 cloves, bay leaf, and a cinnamon stick. And I'm gonna brown. Now I'm gonna put some onions in and I'm gonna brown it. So I'm gonna let that cook for a few minutes. So what I'm going to do this morning is, in inverted commas, sausage curry. So you can basically use anything: mutton, beef, sausages, a little bit of potatoes, and we'll see how it comes out. So I'm just going to let that cook for a few minutes before I add a little bit of tomato, and we'll take it from there guys. So guys, my onions are almost done. I'll start to add some spices. I'll tell you what I will put in. So what I've done, you guys, is I added 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of dhania powder, teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, guys. So I add a bit of water. That's what it looks like for now. So we're gonna let that cook for a little while until the potato softens, and then we'll add the sausages. So guys, we added a bit of salt. We put in our sausages, just adding a few curry leaves. So I cooked the potatoes for around 10 minutes. They're soft cooking potatoes. Put in the sausages, add a little bit of salt, added a little bit of boiling water, and I don't have fresh coriander. Managed to freeze some, so I'm going to use some of that, guys. I think that looks a little strong for me. Just stir it in, guys. Let it cook for a while. It looks good. I think it's going to be strong for me. So what you can do, I used 2 teaspoons of chili powder. So if you want it a little bit milder, maybe cut it down to 1.5. I've got 2 medium potatoes, 3 sausages. So you can work that out, guys. But I think this is a little strong for me. I promise you, it looks good. It smells good too. So guys, that's the end result. That looks good. Let's do a little bit of bread. I think that's going to be fine. There you go, guys. A little bit of late breakfast, early lunch. Cheers, guys.